Hello.
Hi.
There. Hello. My name is Kendra.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Kendra. My name is Jafar. Oh,
Hello, Jafar.
took like minutes to answer.
What's that? I didn't understand.
I said that it took 2 minutes.
Oh, 2 minutes for me to enter. Yes. Do you
Yeah,
usually have to wait longer?
no, maybe less,
Okay.
but it's okay, no problem.
Yes,
But
I was with
I was
another
about
student.
to. Yeah, I see. Because it says that
Okay.
you're available. I don't know.
Okay. Yes. Probably because I was sending the student a message because his session ended.
I understand now. Okay.
Yes.
No
Yes.
worries, no problem.
Okay.
And where are you from?
Perfect.
Kendra? Kendra, yes.
I am from the United States, from the state of Kentucky. But I'm currently living.
So there is Kentucky, and this is the other state, Connecticut. Connecticut. I don't know how to say it. Oh my god.
Yes.
Connecticut. Connecticut.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my
that
god.
one's difficult even for the people from the United States. It's a little bit difficult to pronounce. Yeah.
Connecticut. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really difficult. So
yes, but I'm from
Kentucky and
Kentucky.
Connecticut are really different states.
Yes, completely different. Connecticut is more to the north, and Kentucky is located a bit toward the south, in the southeastern portion of the country. But in going toward the middle, the country's so wide that it's not exactly in the middle, but toward the middle.
Yeah, I see. I understand. Oh, that's cool. I'm from Morocco. I live in Morocco.
From Morocco.
Yeah. Do you know Morocco?
More or less. I have heard of it. Yes, I have heard of it.
I thought maybe that's the first time you've heard of it.
No.
Maybe. I don't know.
No, I've heard of it. I couldn't tell you much about your country. That one, I don't know much about the culture or anything, but yes, I've heard of Morocco. Okay, very
nice. Yeah.
Perfect.
So, yeah. How was your before session? How was your class before me?
Very nice. It was very good. Everything went really well.
And it says that you are new, I think, on Cambly.
Yes.
I don't know if it's mentioned there that you are a new talent. So when the results, I know that the teacher is new on Cambly.
Sure. Yes. This is it's a new project for me, but I like it so far. Everything seems to be going really well, and it's very nice to connect with people from all over the world and help them practice English and learn. Yeah, it's really nice.
Are you also a teacher in real life? Because or just
so more or less. Yeah, more or less. Basically, right now I'm living in Mexico. I came to Mexico to. I'm a language learner as well. I came to Mexico to learn Spanish. And now that I actually to do that, I started to study a master's degree here in Mexico, but I recently finished, and I'm in the process of finding a job as an English teacher here in Mexico. So yes and no. I'm not working today, but I'm in the process of becoming a teacher. Yes.
Yeah.
But I've been a tutor. Yeah, I've been an English tutor and a Spanish tutor in the university and in different settings.
So you worked as a Spanish tutor too?
Yes, I worked as a Spanish tutor in the United States.
You must be really fluent.
Yeah, that's what they tell me. They tell me I'm fluent, so I believe so. It's not hard to communicate.
Yeah, and do you know like another language besides English and Spanish?
A very, very little bit of French, but it's very little. I can't communicate in French. I can read a little bit, and I know some words, but I haven't dedicated as much time to studying French.
Yeah. Okay, it's nice. Yeah, for me, yes, I know English and a little French. I can understand, but not talk in a good way.
I see.
Yeah.
Yes.
My spoken French is like terrible.
Okay, and so other than English and your little bit of French, what else do you speak?
My native tongue, that's all.
Okay, and the native tongue of the people of Morocco, what would that mean?
It's Moroccan Darija, and it's a version, it's a dialect of Arabic.
Okay, I
Yeah,
see.
yeah, it's like
Very
that.
nice.
Yeah, it has
Uh-huh.
got affected by other languages like Spanish, French, and another local language here in Morocco. But it's like combination
Uh-huh.
between those, yeah,
I see.
those languages.
I I see.
Yeah,
Yes.
I hear a little
Interesting.
noise. I don't know if is it from my side or yours.
Oh, I don't know. I don't hear anything. And here, what type of noise is it? I have a fan blowing because it's hot here, but otherwise, I don't have
Uh,
anything
is it
else.
is it moving?
Yeah, it's on the other side of the room, but it may have
No,
a
no, I don't
slight
know.
buzzing
No, no,
sound.
no problem. I don't know because I just hear some noise.
Hmm.
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay. No problem.
Okay.
No worries.
Yeah. Let's see if I put this a little closer to my mouth. Maybe that will cut it down. Is it a little better?
Yeah, but when you talk, it starts.
Oh, it's an echo.
No, no, it's not an echo. No problem. No worries. It's okay. I can hear
Okay.
you. And
Okay.
yeah.
Very good.
So, how long have you been in Mexico? You said that you are in Mexico, I think.
I
Yeah.
am.
And how long have
In
you been there?
total, 2.5 years.
Oh, 2.5 years.
Yes.
So you must be enjoying it.
Yeah, I like it. It's a nice country.
So
It has.
was learning Spanish like the main goal why you traveled there to live, or you have other goals? Maybe studies. You said that you are studying in a
Mhm.
university
Yeah.
master. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Exactly. I began studying. So I began studying in the United States, and
Mm-hmm.
I studied Spanish, and then I studied what they call communication studies in the United States.
Yeah.
And when I was finishing, I knew that I wanted to study a graduate program, but I wanted to continue learning Spanish to become more fluent because, as you know, the process of learning a
Yeah.
language is something that is always
It's
a
a
work in progress. It never
yeah. It's
ends.
never ending process.
Exactly. So I felt like it would be really helpful for me to have contact with native speakers. And I don't know. I wanted to study my graduate program. I had come to Mexico first, and I did a
Yeah.
semester abroad. And I really
Mm-hmm.
liked Mexico, but I was only here for like 5 months, and then I had to
Yeah.
go back to the United States. And I I don't know. I thought I would like to come back and keep
Yeah.
studying. So it seemed like a perfect opportunity for me to gain more fluency in Spanish,
Mm-hmm.
learn
Yeah.
more about the culture, and also get my master's degree in the process.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
have like I have an idea about the Mexican culture. It's
Okay.
all what I know is like they have a lot of tacos. That's all.
Yes.
Like there
Yes.
is 100 types of tacos. Like there's
Oh, yes.
that type, burritos. I think.
Yeah, burritos aren't really necessarily, they are in Mexico, but only in the northern part of Mexico,
Mm-hmm.
because it's kind of where the border is between Texas and Mexico. There's kind of a mix of the cultures there and a little
Yeah.
bit of a blending. If I'm not mistaken, I believe the burrito was invented by a Mexican man, but in the United States. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, there
Yeah.
are
Mm-hmm.
burritos here. I'm living in Monterrey, which is in the northern part of Mexico,
Mm-hmm.
closer to the border. But when I studied my master's degree, I was in Puebla, which is more toward the central southern portion, and there they don't even know what a burrito is. That's nothing that they
Oh,
have.
really?
Yeah, they're like
Here in Morocco,
burrito.
we know what is burritos, and
Yeah, I
how
mean they
come they don't know?
know.
But
Yeah, I mean they
yeah,
know, but they don't make that. You wouldn't go to a restaurant and ask for a burrito because they're not going to sell you a burrito there. It has nothing to do with their cuisine in that region.
yeah. And are you eating like a lot of tacos? Because as I saw in some videos, there's people look fat. Not fat, that they have some weight on their
Uh-huh.
body. I don't
Yeah.
know. Yeah, are they like people in Mexico eating too much food?
I think there's a little bit of everything. What they really do a lot of here is eat meat. They like to eat a lot of meat, and then the fat from the meat, I'm very
Yeah,
accustomed to like taking that off and throwing it away, but they like to eat
yeah,
that. So did they like the fat on the meat?
yeah,
As far as tacos go, goodness, there are tacos with everything.
yeah.
If you make a stew or food in a pot, but you have your tortilla, and you put the food in, and there you have a taco. It's not a taco like we think of going to a restaurant and ask for a taco, but it's a taco of
because
potatoes
here we have
or whatever.
We have a completely different tacos here in Morocco.
Oh,
I don't
I
know
can
how to
imagine.
explain it because I don't know how to, when it comes to speak about food, I don't know nothing. But it's just different, as you said, you can find like French fries inside and, the type of meat that you chose to eat.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So I mean, tacos are very common, but they even have a verb that's to describe the process of making a taco. Because yes, you can go to a taqueria and buy tacos, but you can also just make a taco from whatever you have, and that's called taquear. That's the process of making a taco out of whatever. Just have a tortilla and throw whatever inside.
Yeah, that's
So,
cool. That's nice.
Yeah. What's a typical food in Morocco, besides that they do have tacos? That's not typical, I don't think.
So the traditional one, we have different types of food. We have couscous, Moroccan couscous. I don't know if you have ever heard. Yeah, there is Moroccan tagine. With 7 vegetables, they call it like that.
Okay.
I don't know the names of those vegetables in English. Maybe I should go and look them up.
Yeah,
and there's some others. Yeah, there is another one. They call it tangia. Yeah, there are a lot, but I don't know how to describe them. I'm really sorry.
No worries. Yeah, no worries. That's fine.
Yeah, I need to extend my vocabulary when it comes to talking about food.
There you go. But that's the nice thing about having a conversation, because I mean the same thing has happened to me as well. When I talk about a new topic, I'm like, I haven't talked about this before, and there are a lot of words that I don't know. So it makes you aware of something new to learn. Yeah, exactly. It gives you curiosity.
And you just go maybe like try to read or maybe listen to a podcast related to food or just an audio or something like that, just to learn.
Yeah. Or
to know like the basics.
Go to the dictionary. Yeah, or even to the dictionary and start looking up. Okay. Yeah, that's what they call that. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like dictionaries. I hate dictionaries.
Oh yeah.
There is something new, I just copy it, post it, paste it on Google and see the images. Oh, that's it. So
there you go.
Okay, move on.
Yeah. Right, exactly. Next.
Next. It's really cool. So is Spanish like hard? I don't know, because I've seen on some videos people talking about Spanish, and they said that for people who knows English, it's kind of like easy to learn Spanish. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not terribly complicated. The pronunciation is very simple. It's not hard at all. The grammar is a little more complex with the conjugation of the verbs, but yeah, it's not that hard. It's not a difficult language.
But I can say that it's similar to French.
Yes, similar to French, similar to Italian, Portuguese.
So the grammar is like, they have a lot in common. Spanish and French. Yeah, so it's just 15 minutes, and thank you so much.
Yes.
And it was very nice. To you later. Yeah, it was nice talking to you.
Yeah, it was nice to meet you. Take care.
Yeah, take care. Have a good time.